today we are in Daugavpils Pumptrack and also a concrete skate park. And let's go see how it looks in Daugavpils Velo Solution Pumptrack and Mindwork concrete skate park. So let's go. Let's start with a slow ride through the Pumptrack. We have a roller line. This I guess is jumpable. Then we have a 180 turn and one more roller straight line with a jump option. 2, 3 small corners. These are quite interesting. They're really fast. Deep. And we go all around. So one more way. This is the place where kids jump out, and we get to the long straight line with all kind of rollers. Woo. You can feel how to jump them. And we have a triple corner. I don't know how to from. So yeah, this is the Daugavpils Pumptrack. Let's see what do we have in a skate park. Wait, this is the place where you can jump out. Street ladder. Some rails. Those are not for me. We have a little small pump. Just waterway. And some street elements. And it's collecting water. That's not nice. So yeah, this is the first Latvian Pumptrack. This is a children's zone. So we have adventure track and bike track. And I just ride through adventure track. Let's try to ride through this one. We have some wooden pieces. It's actually quite nice because they're not too small. So where do I want to go? I want to go here. Whoa! So fast, I don't know what it is. I need to jump. Whoa! It's actually moving. Some corners. Can we show some? Yeah, I like it. Look at it. Easy. Woo! There's not too much to say about it. You can see it by yourself. Whoa! Some pump.
This is what I call fun. Good boy.
Time to run it on. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up, flex, I'm down.
Let's see what the local riders can do with the scooters here. So yeah, one. So close.
I wake up, flex, I'm down now. No drip, this time to run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Time to run it up. 9 out of 10, rub through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down, that check. No drip, this time to run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Time to run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down, that check. No drip, this time to run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Time to run it up. make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Nigeria, come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried.
So after a good riding session, you always need to go and find some local food service, and this time we choose this one. And we get some kebabs. Please leave a comment, subscribe,